My name's Jeanette, and I wanted to make this review for Hassan's team, his company Patronecs. I am in the real estate industry. I actually needed a CRM that accommodated my needs. So I reached out, and the experience has been super, super great. Hassan and his team were able to integrate everything into my Podio CRM, making the process as easy as it can be for me to conduct business. So I highly, highly recommend, if you are looking for someone to integrate your systems into Podio and customize everything for you, go ahead and reach out to Patronecs.
To avail our services or to discuss your next project, contact us on the following details.